Hey everyone, welcome back to Melly's. Today we are making some battleships from Home Depot Home Crafts.
So how does this battleship look like, Daniel? Or Elijah, can you pick it up and show it to us? Ooh. So like our other projects, we already pre-painted the wood. So it makes it a lot easier when we just start putting it together. So let's go ahead and open each of our packets up. So how many pieces come with it and what tools do we need, guys?
So how many pieces? Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces.
Ooh, one more there underneath you.
9 pieces.
Our first step is to make sure that we have all the tools we're gonna need to make sure that we can build it.
So we need one hammer and a screwdriver.
So we need a hammer, a screwdriver, and some glue.
Oh yeah, glue.
We're gonna need some glue. So what is the first step now that we have our tools here?
So we're gonna grab this, and these 2 dots should face over here. We'll be needing our nail or a screw.
2 short nails from your little bag of nails and screws. You're gonna need the 2 smallest ones.
2 short nails.
So like Isaiah's doing, guys, that's how you need to do it. To make sure that those circles are aligned.
Yep, now time to hammer.
Okay, you got yours, all right. Now when you're hammering, don't forget, Isaiah, hold down what you're hammering to make sure that it doesn't fly away from you.
All right, so now we've got these 2 hammered into our piece.
Looks good, guys, looks good. And what's gonna come after that? What do we need to do now?
We will be putting this right at the end of here.
Perfect.
Now we're gonna hammer it in.
Now you gotta make sure that it's facing the right way. You wanna make sure that it looks like the window is facing the front of the ship. There's a little bit of an angle.
A slant.
A slant, and you wanna make sure it's in the right way. And again, when you hammer, you need to hold what you're hammering with one hand and then use the hammer on the other hand. You gotta hammer that block on there. You gotta hold on to that block in there on the edge there, Isaiah. Good job. Good, good. Good. That's great. And you, now you gotta do the other one? Yeah, line it up. Yeah. How's yours looking there, Isaiah? Look at that. Good. Great. And what is the next step?
You gotta put these in.
So we gotta put some glue on them? We wanna open up some glue, and let's put some glue in this little cup right here. How about that?
Yeah, just put glue.
Just dip it in. Make sure you dip the right side.
The one that's not black.
The one that's not black, just dip it a little bit in there, and then put it inside the ship. You gotta do 2 of them, right? You gotta do 2. So you gotta do the other one. Glue it in. Put some glue. Not too much, yeah. You don't want too much because it's gonna just be all over your ship. You don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Make sure they're straight too. Push them all the way in. That way they're nice and firm. So what is the next step for this? So now we got to screw these in, right? These will require a screwdriver and the screws to put in. Elijah's doing the other one right now. How's that looking there, Isaiah? Is it set?
I don't have a screwdriver.
You need a screwdriver? Okay. Go ahead and do that one there.
Oh. Ow.
Elijah, how are you doing over here? Are you putting the first one or the second one?
The second one.
Oh, you already have the first one in place. That looks good. Coming along really well. Don't forget, use one hand to hold so that way when you're trying to screw, it doesn't keep turning on you. Does it turn? Because it needs to make sure that it's turning too. That way it's not just super tight. It's good.
These battleships are boats.
They're boats, that's right, they're boats. They're big
Battleships.
ships. Yeah, they're like huge boats. How's yours looking, Isaiah?
Good.
Let's see, show me around. So how your cannons turn? You can turn them around and shoot?
But if you make them to like twist, well, and it's stronger than you,
Yeah.
it will just be stuck where you put it. It's saying, but you put this first, I mean,
Oh, you can't go all the way around, can you? So you have to go backwards to get to the other side, right? Oh. And now you need to find your stickers, because I think there's some stickers that we need to glue on.
Yes, we do.
And the example here in front of us shows us where some of the stickers will go. So there's some stickers in the front window, on the side windows. Nope, you don't need any glue, it's stickers. And then there's a Home Depot in the back. All right, so then you're gonna put your stickers on now?
I'm still kind of trying to...
Okay.
Look, and I take the stickers off.
Like that?
Yeah.
That's pretty easy. So now stickers?
Yep.
All right.
All right, so let me guess. The straight one is the front?
That is correct. Front window.
Well, I don't know. Oh, well, it's done.
You're almost done.
One more sticker to go.
That's it?
already done. I did the Home Depot.
You put the Home Depot in the front, not in the back? Like the model one? That's okay. You could do it your way if you like it in the front. I was just asking.
It's just your way, right?
Yep. Well, how's that look there? Is that? It's good.
Yeah, my Battleship. Hold on.
Your Battleship is done. Is there extra stickers? What is this?
No.
That's just a picture of it.
Yep.
That's how it's supposed to look. Okay.
But yours looks different. Means yours just colored in.
Hey, your sticker's coming off there on the corner there.
You
Gotta
put
fix that
the-
sticker.
You put the spray thing outside.
Outside, let a parent or an adult do that for you. I want to see how it looks like. Look at Elijah's Battleship coming aboard. Here we go. And here comes Isaiah's next to the demo one. And now we are waiting for the third Battleship. And there's the last Battleship. Everybody is here.
Mine looks very different from everyone.
It does. You have your sticker on the front.
Different.
Yep. So, as part of your achievement here, there is a certificate that comes along with it. This is for Isaiah, and
Yep.
that's just to let you know that you've completed your Battleship. We have one for Elijah, and then also one for Nathaniel, that he completed his Battleship. And in addition to that, you guys get another pin. Let me see the pins. Another pin for completing the Battleship. Really cool. So that gets added now to your own apron in here.
Ooh.
So there's Nathaniel's apron with all the other ones that he's done. Now you have a Battleship one on you there. Already added. And Isaiah, here are yours. And yours is the Battleship is already there.
Wait, you already get up.
And Elijah, you have yours and your Battleship pin is added in there. So you guys are adding more and more to all the workshop projects you're doing. 20 years, yeah.
Yeah, at one point we can
So.
finish the whole apron.
Maybe. Well, we hope you liked this video, you enjoyed it. And again, don't forget, if you want to do your own workshops, go to the Home Depot and just ask the service department right there in the front of the registers to see if they can give you your kit and you'll be able to do your own kit at home.
Make sure you also have your parents' permission if you are doing it with all this hammering and screwdriving. Yeah, make sure you have parents' permission. Bye everyone, thank you for watching though. Please make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe,